If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. In this lesson, we will examine using QuickBooks to return escheated trust funds. Escheat occurs when there are no legal heirs to property. Most commonly, this is used to return abandoned trust funds to the state. For example, if a lawyer held funds in trust for a client and then could no longer find the client or any other legal heirs after pursuing all avenues possible. When escheat occurs, law firms are required to send the funds to the state along with a detailed report. The reporting requirements vary from state to state, and you should check with your state to find the specifics. Escheated funds are then held by the state and can be collected at a later date by the original owner should they return and claim the funds. If you have escheated funds to give to your state, the process is similar to creating a refund check for the trust funds. First, open the Write Checks window. Then select the correct client trust checking account from the bank account drop-down at the top of the window. You can then enter the name of the state agency to whom you remit escheated funds from the Pay to the Order of drop-down within the check form. You can set the name as a vendor within your vendor list. You can then enter the amount of the client's escheated trust fund into the dollars field. Be sure to select the correct check date from the Date field's calendar selector. Be sure to enter a detailed description of the escheatment into the Memo field as well. Then, on the Expenses tab shown at the bottom of the check window, select the Client Trust Liabilities account. This will remove the amount returned from the amount of liability owed to the client. Be sure to also note the reason in the Memo field as well. You can then select the name of the client and case or matter from the Customer Job column, and be sure to indicate that these are not billable amounts entered. Then select the correct class from the adjacent Class field's drop-down menu. When you are finished, you can then print the check if needed. After recording and printing the check, click the Save and Close button. You will then need to remit the check along with any accompanying reporting required by your state to the designated vendor. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.